Hey guys, welcome to week 30, assignment 1. What we will be starting this week is we're going to be starting coding, and we're going to do some very basic coding using code.org because this is intro to computer apps, and then without coding, computer apps does not happen. So we're going to be doing some basic coding, and along the way I will be giving you opportunities or resources if you would like to continue on and do more. So if you go to assignment 1, basically what I'm doing is I'm showing you it's a, I don't know, I think it's an 11-minute video that it gives you the basics of what coding is. Because I could ask each one of you what coding is, and you would all come up with a different answer, and most of them would be right to some degree. So I'm just giving you a very basic video of what coding is, and you will take, once you watch the video, which is right here in the assignment, if you go back to the folder, you'll see that there is a worksheet here. Yes, it's set up as a quiz. However, you can take it 3 times, and after you take it the first time, it's going to show you the correct answers. And there's only 12 questions. So it's matching. Most of you have done this before. So basically it's going to come up. It's got all of this here. It's got the answers here. You take and click and drag it to. When you're done, you hit submit, and it will tell you your answers. All right, so if you have any problems or questions, please let me know. Message me and I will get back to you as soon as possible. And if not, have a wonderful week.